Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make perfect chicken biryani without using a pressure cooker. I'll give you all the ingredients list and also the measurements required in the description box below. Do follow the same measurements. You'll definitely get the best biryani. Come on, let's get started. First step is to marinate the chicken. I have taken 1200 grams of chicken with bones. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, juice of half a lemon, and I'm going to mix all the ingredients well. Let this marinate for a minimum of half an hour to 1 hour. If you have time, you can also marinate this overnight. And now to a heavy bottomed pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of ghee. When it heats up, I'm going to add the whole garam masala, which includes bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and also Marathi mukku. And to this I'm adding 3 onions which I have sliced. And I'm also adding 3 green chillis which I have slit into halves. We'll have to saute this well. Let this cook for at least 3 minutes until the onions are completely cooked. To this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes. And now I'm going to add a handful of mint leaves. Mix it well. And then adding 3 tomatoes which I have roughly chopped. And now this will have to cook completely, so we'll cover this and cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes are well done. I'm also adding salt as required. And after the tomatoes are cooked well, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder for that color. Mix it well. And to this I'm adding the marinated chicken. Also adding half a cup of curd. Curd acts as a tenderizing agent. And now after mixing it well, I'm going to cover and cook this for around 15 minutes until it is completely cooked. I'm not adding any water to this. And after 15 minutes, the chicken is well done. You can see the oil separated from the gravy. So mix it well. And now it's time to add water to this. I'm adding 10 cups of water. For 1 cup of rice, we'll have to add 2 cups of water. So I have taken 5 cups of rice today. So I'm adding 10 cups of water. Mix it well and taste the water. It should be little salty. Only then when we add the rice, it would be perfect. And now I'm going to cover and let the water boil. And now the water is boiled. I'm going to add the soaked basmati rice. As I informed earlier, I have added 5 cups of rice. Mix it and let this cook on high flame for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, all the water is absorbed and it is almost like 80 to 90% done. Now mix it well. Be careful when you mix it. Do not break the rice. And now we are going to cover it and cook this on medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Before closing, I'm adding a handful of mint leaves, handful of coriander leaves, and juice of half a lemon. You can also add ghee if required. Now I'm going to cover and cook this for 20 minutes. Ensure it is a heavy bottomed pan so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Now exactly after 20 minutes, a perfect biryani is now ready. Look at the texture. It is so juicy and at the same time it is not like mushy. The rice are grainy and it is separate. Wow, it smells amazing. Chicken pieces are well cooked and it looks very soft. You'll definitely enjoy this. Do make it at home. I'll give the ingredients list in the description box. Do try it. And now it's time to serve. And you saw how simple it was, right? Definitely give it a try. You'll enjoy it. So during this lockdown, it is hard for us to go to restaurants or hotels and eat biryani. And I know most of us like biryani. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.